Good morning, boys. How have you been? I hope you are having a wonderful day today and that you are ready to begin working on humanities. So today we are going to continue with world history. So last week we did vocabulary, which was page 3. So today we are going to work on, we're going to start the chapter, which is chapter 1, map. So it should be page 4. It should just be the one next to the one we did last week. So please take it out. If you do not know how it looks like, it is this one right here. It has the title map on the top, and we have a map right here. And the number 4 is on the left corner. So here for maps, we are going to be reading the little short paragraph we have right here, and then afterwards we will answer some comprehension questions. So I will read. All I need is for you to follow along. So here, let's look at the picture first. Here, this picture, this is a part of the map. It's not all the map, but it's part of it. However, is this our map? Like, is this in the United States? No, right? This is in the other side of the world. Look, we have Turkey and Syria and Israel and Egypt, Jordan. Like, this is on the other side of the world. This is not the US. So now I'm going to read the short text we have over here in the bottom. All you need is just follow along. A map is a drawing of an area of land or water. A map can show a large area like the world, or it can picture one small town. This map shows countries in part of the whole world called the Middle East. The compass rose is in the blue area, which is right here. Look, we have the compass right here. It shows direction. So it's telling us up is north, down is side, to the left is the west, and to the right is the east. Can you point to 2 countries in the border of Iraq? So now, boys, we are going to answer questions based on what we read. So we have 7 questions right here. I will be doing one question with you. You will be working on the rest on your own. So do not forget to write your name and today's date. We are March the 30th, 2021. And question number 1 says, a blank is a drawing of an area of land or water. So a what? What have we been talking about? A timeline? B, map? C, dog? Yes, boys, good job. A map. A map is a drawing of an area of land or water. And if you did not know the answer, we can find it right here. A map is an area of land or water. Awesome job. So now you're going to answer the rest on your own. I'm going to read each one to you. So number 2 says, does a map show a large area like the world? True or false? Number 3, what countries do you see in the picture above? Letter A says Mexico, US, and Canada? Or B, Iran, Egypt, Israel, and Jordan? Number 4. Where are all these countries located? Central America, North America, or the Middle East? Number 5. The compass rose shows all directions in the picture. True or false? Number 6. What are the countries in the border with Syria? A, Iran, Saudi Arabia, or Baghdad? Or B, Iraq, Turkey, and Israel? And number 7, point to the 2 countries that border with Iraq. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We are always here to help. If not, once you are done, do not forget to take a picture and submit it to Teams so I can give you a grade. Once you have done all of that and given your thumbs up, you are good. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and we will see you here back tomorrow. Bye, boys.